The people who can build successful dropshipping businesses and then scale those to six figures aren't using the same old, outdated methods everybody else is. Picking random products like cat necklaces and targeting people who like cats just doesn't cut it anymore. Consumers have got used to seeing the same tired dropshipping strategies over and over again, and you can't run a business if the people you're targeting aren't interested in what you're offering. Dropshipping is evolving, and if you don't evolve with it, you're going to get left behind whilst everyone else is chasing their dreams. We've now entered the era of data-driven dropshipping, and the sooner you realize this, the sooner you're going to reach that goal of building a successful dropshipping business. Using the power of the Facebook algorithm, data-driven dropshipping allows us to hyper-target the exact audience that want our products. As you probably already know, Facebook knows absolutely everything about you, but it also knows everything about your potential customers as well. And if we can use that power to target those customers with the products they want, there's no limit to how far we can scale this. Most of the big gurus that are driving the Lamborghinis are using this data-driven dropshipping method, but for some reason, they're still teaching the old, outdated cat necklace model. For those of you that don't know, my name is Chris Wayne, and I've helped over 1,000 motivated entrepreneurs build their own dropshipping businesses from scratch, and I teach them how to scale those businesses to six figures and beyond. The reasons why the old, outdated dropshipping methods don't work anymore is because the market has matured. Potential customers are becoming numb to the same basic products, poorly designed websites, and weak advertising campaigns that most dropshippers are doing right now. When I tried to build a six-figure dropshipping business from scratch, I started by following these same methods, but I never got any results. My first 5 attempts at dropshipping completely failed. Every single one of those stores crashed and burned before I even managed to get off the ground. So I realized I had to stop what I was doing, learn everything I could about dropshipping, e-commerce, and marketing to learn how I can really target those customers in a different way, because what I was doing right then wasn't working. I spent every single free hour I had, evenings, weekends, whenever I got the chance to learn what I needed to do to increase my conversions on my store and build an incredibly successful dropshipping business. And that's when I came up with the data-driven dropshipping method. Once I put this method into action, I was finally able to achieve my goal of building a six-figure dropshipping business. This process has now been proven to work time and time again. And this is the main reason why I was featured by Oberlo, the biggest dropshipping app in the world. I appeared on the front page of Yahoo for an article that was written about me on MarketWatch.com. And I even stood on stage at the annual Shopify Summit in Berlin to talk about how data-driven dropshipping is changing people's lives. So you're probably gonna hate me for asking you this now, but do you feel that every single month is just a fight to try and get enough money to come in to pay your bills? Have you ever gone to a restaurant and felt like you couldn't afford that steak or that extra glass of wine with your meal? Or have you ever felt like there is more to life than just working 40 plus hours a week in the job you don't like, helping somebody else achieve their goal? If any of that sounds familiar, then I completely understand, because those questions are the exact same questions I was asking myself. And it's the main reason why I decided to get into dropshipping in the first place. But when you put the data-driven dropshipping method into practice, everything can change. And you can finally break free from that 9-to-5 grind because you've built a successful business from home. So here are the top 3 reasons why you need data-driven dropshipping. Reason number 1 is that using the power of Facebook data, we can hyper-target the most valuable customers in your niche. But unlike the old methods of dropshipping, you don't have to guess who is most likely to buy from you. We already know using our data-driven dropshipping method. Reason number 2, you can plug and play our tried and tested campaign structures across any store in any niche and still be able to achieve those six-figure results. And reason number 3, and this is probably the most important one, you'll be able to scale your business in the most cost-effective way without leaving any money on the table and ultimately changing your life forever. Now imagine if you could wake up in the morning, look at your phone, and realize that you've earned more money overnight whilst you were asleep than you're gonna do by working in a stuffy office building for the rest of the week. Imagine what your life would look like if you didn't have to scrape month to month to try and pay your utility bills, or if you could book that dream road trip across America, or even if you could pay off your mortgage decades earlier. Building your own successful business doesn't just affect your pocket, it can affect every single other aspect of your life. Imagine how it would feel if you knew you've done all of that because of something you have built yourself from home while sitting on a sofa. I think you have to agree that it would be a complete game changer. So I've got some good news, because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how you can get started with the data-driven dropshipping method, and I'll show you a simple strategy that you can put in place right now to get results fast. So make sure you look out for that video because you don't want to miss it. I've also got some exciting news for people who are looking to build their own successful dropshipping business and are serious about this industry. In a few days, I'm going to launch the next release of my Advanced Dropshipping Academy. When that release does go live, I'm going to allow a handful of new students into the academy so I can teach them this data-driven dropshipping method and show them how they can go about building a successful dropshipping business even if they don't have any prior experience. Now, as much as I'd like to help everybody build a successful dropshipping business, as you can probably appreciate, I get contacted all the time for people asking for help, and time is a factor. So this is going to be a limited release of the academy so I can really focus on these new students and help them grow and help them build their own successful dropshipping business. So this is going to be a genuinely rare opportunity, and spots to this release of the academy are going to be granted on a first come, first served basis. So if data-driven dropshipping sounds like something you'd be interested in and you want to get a spot within this limited release of the Advanced Dropshipping Academy, then make sure you click the link below this video, enter your name and email, and join the early bird waitlist. Everyone on that early bird waitlist will get access to this release of the academy the night before it opens to everybody else. So if you are serious about building a successful dropshipping business and you want my support as part of that, then make sure you put your name on that waitlist and get registered so you can get a spot as soon as it opens. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop me a message. I do answer everything myself. And like I said, keep an eye out for the next video in this series, because I'm going to be showing you how you can implement the data-driven dropshipping method and get results on your store fast. But that's the end of this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one.